Hi guys, it's Maya and welcome back to my channel. I got my coffee as always. So for today's video, if you guys follow me on my Instagram, I actually posted a poll of questions that you guys could ask because today is going to be a life update video. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be answering the questions that you guys asked on my Instagram. So if you guys are interested to know, please keep on watching. Alright, so the first question is, which Afani awak paling rindu? Which Afani do I miss the most? If you guys don't know, Afani is actually like my brother's punya name. Like all of my brothers have Afani in their name. So I would say I miss all of you, obviously, and it totally depends on what things I miss doing with which brothers, you know. For example, if it's Arik, I definitely miss getting Starbucks with him because we would just vibe in the car, you know, because Starbucks Jalan Ampang like jam all the time. So but we don't mind because we get to like spend time in the car, you know, talk about life, like everything. So sometimes like those random Starbucks drive-through hangouts with Ari is the best, honestly, and I miss it. If it's like Arash, probably I just miss like making him laugh or annoy him, and I miss gossiping with him. And if it's like Awesome, I miss the feeling of him always taking care of me because that's just him. Like he would always make sure like I'm okay. And then Ani, I miss him so much. I would definitely miss eating ramen with Ani because it's his favorite. And yeah, next question would be, what course are you taking and are you under any scholarship? If you guys don't know yet, so currently I am doing a degree in law. And then no, unfortunately I am not under a scholarship, but I am more than grateful to have the opportunity to study abroad. I hope I answered the question. Describe your university in 3 words. I would say Essex would be friendly, chill, and easygoing. Next question is, how's life? I'm not gonna lie, I've been super overwhelmed this past few weeks, especially like towards the end of February until March. So stressful with work and in terms of managing time to the point where I don't really have time for myself. But I know like everything is going to be worth it at the end of the day. I'm so grateful that I have my friends with me all the time also. Right now, even when we're studying, we study all together, so you don't really feel lonely in that sense. I think I just miss my family a lot. How do you avoid yourself from procrastination? Here's what I do. I will always watch like motivational vlogs on YouTube, and I feel like the best way you can avoid procrastinating is to wake up early. At least try to wake up early so that you have the entire day all to yourself. And second advice I would give is definitely to make a to-do list every day. Don't make it like so banyak for you to accomplish. Be nice to yourself, you know. So just like set maybe a few things for you to accomplish, small things, and then the next day maybe you can increase like what things you need to accomplish in a day so that you don't get pressured at one point. What's your daily routine? My daily routine would definitely depend on what I have to do or if I have anything to submit, for example in terms of studies. But my daily routine is so simple. It's just to wake up and coffee and then just start my day. But I definitely need coffee every day, like that's just how I am. Next question is room tour. I actually filmed a room tour last week, so I'll put the link in the description box below. Are you seeing anyone at the moment? Am I? Do I really want to put it out there? I am not. I'm not seeing anyone at the moment. I am single currently and just been focusing on myself. Any change of routine due to the weather or environment? I would say that winter weather is not for my skin. I've been breaking out a lot, like ever since I came here. A lot, to the point yang macam it affected my confidence. I would literally get new pimples every day without me like doing anything, you know, like even if I don't wear makeup, or even if I wash my face, even if I put skincare, serum, whatnot, I would just get new pimples every day. A new routine would be me making sure that my face is clean, not to apply like harsh products on my skin, and I moisturize my skin every day. What's the hardest part living abroad? Would definitely say being distanced from your family, especially if you're a family person. In terms of studying wise, you have to do everything on your own, obviously, but it teaches you a lot. So if you guys have the opportunity to study abroad, you should definitely like experience it. Next question, are you gonna miss Essex after this? I am definitely going to miss Essex, even though I'm just here for 1 year, but a lot of things happen in just 1 year, you know. We recently just finished our M night, so that was such a moment to remember. I'm definitely gonna miss the vibes, and I'm definitely gonna miss my friends the most because they are part of this studying abroad journey. Alright, so next question is your study journey. How do you apply to study abroad? So my study journey actually started when I did my foundations, and then I did a 2+1 back in Malaysia. Since you asked this question, I applied to study abroad through UCAS. UCAS is basically like a UPU, tapi macam it's UK punya, which I did after I finished my 2nd year of degree. After receiving offers from few universities that I applied, I referred to an AUG agent. So if you guys don't know already, the AUG is actually a one-stop student services center, which they offer a lot of free educational services for students who want to study abroad. AUG has an extensive network of about 23 offices across Asia Pacific. And then once I've decided like which uni I want to go to, so at that point of time I decided I really want to go to Essex. I contacted one of AUG's agent, and everything was so smooth for me. Like in terms of documentations, your visa, class letter, which is so important. On that note, if you guys are planning to study abroad, especially in the UK, this is your time to get more information on it, because AUG is having a Go UK educational fair, which is going to be held at Meridien Hotel KL, and it's just free, guys. All you need to do is just come to the fair, and you can get all the information you need to study abroad. And I would definitely recommend you guys to contact an AUG agent. It literally like makes everything so much easier, and it's not just documentations, even in terms of your flight details. They will give you more options on which flight to take. I think a starting point would be for you guys to check out the Go UK Educational Fair on the 20th of March, which is Sunday, from 12 to 6 p.m. Malaysian time. And then not to forget, it's one of the biggest UK fairs in 2022 because they offer like studying options for more than 30 UK institutions. So I think it's a plus because you get to talk to these representatives from the universities. And like I said just now, I applied through UCAS. When applying to UCAS, you have to pay a certain amount for you to get your PIN. Same goes to UPU, but by UK Educational Fair, you don't have to pay for UCAS fees. So it's gonna be free for you. And I don't know if you guys know this, but in terms of flying abroad, one of the biggest problems would be in terms of visa. I would suggest you guys to get assistance from AUG especially, and they offer free visa assistance. You can find out more by attending to this event. And the best part is they have scholarship offers which could go up to 100% of your tuition fees. So guys, that's such a plus. And with COVID and everything, they would also update you guys with the current situation in the UK. So all you need to do is pre-register now for this event, and you might get rewarded. And obviously I would link everything down below in the description box. Don't hesitate to just like register. To all of my Malaysian subscribers or friends, if you guys are planning to study in the UK, here's a starting point for you. Another question is, nothing but I love seeing my girl being happy and thriving. I love you. Aww. It's from my friend Lala. I love you more and I miss you so much. I guess that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple Q&A or life update. I am so sorry if it's not clear because I put my camera near the window. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, which is AUG itself and also KSP. Don't forget to join their Go UK Education Fair. I will leave all the details in the description box below. Thank you so much AUG and KSP. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!